a Chinese person became a Muslim in a university. So they asked him, what was the reason? What got you to Islam? He says, it was the Muslim Arab youngsters. Whenever they would greet me, they would have a big smile on their face. So one day I asked this youngster that, you guys are never worried? You'll always have a big smile on your face. He says, of course we have worry and concerns as well, but when we meet the next person, it is the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ to smile. He says, just that much touched me. One sunnah of Rasulullah ﷺ. He said, that Prophet who is teaching his followers to smile, I would love to learn about this Prophet. And he started reading and he accepted Islam. One sunnah of Rasulullah ﷺ. Nevertheless, they move on. 60,000 on one side, 60 are advancing.